Hello everyone, welcome to the Desktop channel. Join me today as we are going to talk to you about the new kid in town, Microsoft Fabric, and today we are going to talk about shortcuts. I know, you are going to tell me that you all know what shortcuts are, and I will tell you that the meaning is not very different. Yeah, shortcuts are exactly the links, the virtual links to some kind of asset. In this kind of asset will be in Fabric, will be data. Okay, and big advantages of these shortcuts is that you don't have to make unnecessary copies of your data, move your data from one site to another. You will use your data where the data is by the way of using a shortcut. Okay, so no copy, no movement, and all your data will be available in the lakehouse where you link to it. So today we'll see some kind of shortcut types. I will talk to you in particular about ADLS Gen 2 shortcut, but we also have internal lakehouse shortcuts which link data to different workspaces inside your Fabric workspaces, of course. We also have Amazon S3 and soon maybe GCP. But today I will talk to you about ADLS Gen 2 shortcuts. So we'll see it in action. So for this demo, I have already provisioned this environment with a storage account Gen 2. We have two folders, one Delta files, another test files. These Delta files contains a Delta table and the other contains a simple CSV file. In order to build a shortcut, we need to have Delta files, okay? Delta tables in this case. So, in Fabric environment, we have a lakehouse with the two known folders, tables and files, and we are going to start to create a shortcut in the files folder. So, you go in here, menu, new shortcut. You need to provide, let me just do this, provide the link to your storage. It has to be DFS link, okay, in here. The connection credentials can be a SASH, for example, an OAuth login, or in this case, I will be using the account key. So, shortcut name, let's call it, for example, test files. You need to provide the path to your storage, in this case, test files. And there you go. You can see in here our export CSV as if it was in here in the test files. Okay, we are linking information, not copying it, not moving information, just linking. Now, in the tables folder, we are going to create the shortcut to the Delta table. In it, as I said before, it needs to be a Delta table. Same link in here. Let's keep the authentication with the account key. This time I will call it the table name, down, and give the folder, the complete folder name, Delta files and down folder. Create. And as you can see, the town will appear in here as our shortcut. We can now use it as if it is a table in our lakehouse. Okay, so you can go in here, create a new notebook, and use this table in here. Now, you only have to hit play. You have to wait a few seconds because the cluster is starting in here, and the information of this table will appear in here in a few seconds. So remember, to create the table, you need to create a shortcut to a table. It needs to be a delta table. In here, in the folder of the files, you only have to provide the path to the files you want. That's the only demanding things in. And you can see in here the data of our table, and you will be using it in PySpark or Spark, whatever you want. You are in a notebook, okay? So that's it. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for another videos about Microsoft Fabric. Thank you very much.